Hello children, today let us start classic mathematics recapitulation of second chapter, that is linear equation in one variable. In our previous video we have revised first chapter, now let us move on to the second chapter. What is an algebraic expression? First let us move with the definition. You all know that linear equation in one variable, already we have solved these problems, but let us start again with the recapitulation of the definition of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is combination of terms using basic mathematical operations. Here we are using, for example, here we are using some terms using basic mathematical operation, that means plus, minus, multiplication sign and division sign. We can use all the signs here, and these are the variables and this is the constant. To explain an algebraic expression we need constant, that is 2. This is a variable, x is a variable. We take variable as an alphabet because it varies from term to term, and constant as a number, it doesn't change its value. And these are the mathematical operators. Because these are the signs which we use to perform some action, whether it may be an addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. Now, what are equations? Equations in which the highest power of variable is 1 are called linear equation or simple equation. That means here the variable should have highest power is only 1. It should not be x raised to 2 or x raised to 3. So, power is 1, that means if power is not given, it refers to power as 1. So, x plus 5 is equal to 3. 2y minus 3 is equal to 7. These are the simple equations or linear equations. Here also you can see this is a variable, this is a constant, this is also a constant, and this is a mathematical operator. And this is equality sign, that is equal to equality sign. And this balances both sides of the equation, that is this side is called LHS, that is left hand side of the equation, and this is called right hand side of the equation. These are all the basics which we have learnt in our earlier videos. So now let us move on to problem solving, that is exercise 2.1. Here I have chosen some problems that I will solve. The first one is x minus 2 is equal to 7. So here this is LHS and this is RHS. Now how to solve the problem is, first consider x. You have to write here x minus 2, this is solution. Once again you write the question, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Transpose the constant this side, that is from LHS to RHS. Transpose 2 minus 2 from LHS to RHS. That is x is equal to 7 plus 2. When you have transposed minus 2 to RHS, that is from one side to other side, its sign changes. X is equal to 9. This is solved. Now, as I said, here we have multiplication, division, all the operations are performed here. T by 5 refers to division. T by 5 is equal to 10. Solution, write as it is. T by 5 is equal to 10. When you consider T here, you are going to transpose 5 to the RHS, that is 10 into 5. When you are transposing a term from right side to left side to right side, plus will become minus or minus will become plus, that is opposite sign. Multiplication will become division and division will become multiplication. So T is equal to 2. Now let us move on to the next, that is 2x by 3 is equal to 18. Here again solution, 2x by 3 is equal to 18. 2x is equal to transpose 3 to the RHS, 18 into 3. 2x is equal to 54. 8 3s are 24. Carry 2. 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. 54. X is equal to 54. This multiplication 2 into x here, if sign is not given, it is understood as multiplication. This if you transpose here, it becomes division. So x is equal to 2 ones are 2, 27. Now let us move on to the last problem. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Write as it is. This is solution. 6p as it is. 9 plus 17, when you transpose here, it becomes minus 17. 6p is equal to 9 minus of 17 is minus 8. Here one is the plus, one is minus, so the operation is subtraction. 17 minus 9 is 8, sign of the greater number, so it is minus 8. P is equal to minus 8 by 6. So here both are even numbers, you can simplify here. 2 4s are, 2 3s are. So answer is minus 4 by 3. Now let us move on to exercise 2.2. In that I have chosen fifth problem. The two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. Ratio of two numbers is given, that is 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are numbers? The two numbers ratio is given, that is 5:3. If they differ by 18, that means the difference of the ratios is 18. Then what are the numbers? Solution. Let the two numbers be 5x and 3x. So the given, according to the given statement, the ratio is 5x and 3x. If they differ by 18, the difference is 18. Then we have to find out the value of x and then 5x and 3x. So 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. The difference of 5x minus the difference is minus. So 5x minus 3x is 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to, when you transpose here, 2 becomes 18 by 2. X is equal to 9. 2 1s are 2 9s. Once you find the value of x, therefore x is equal to 9. So the two numbers are, first one, 5x is equal to, substitute value of x here, 5 into 9 is equal to 45, and second number 3x is equal to 3 into 9 is equal to 27. Therefore, the two numbers are 45 and 27. Now let us move on to the ninth problem. In the ninth problem, the question is, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So, the ratio of the age is given, that is 5:7. 4 years later, their sum of their ages will be 56. What are their present ages? Now, let us move on to the solution. Let the ages of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x, because we don't know what is the exact age. Ratio is given, so we are considering here 5x and 7x. 4 years later, their ages will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. So after 4 years, here the given is 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. Here we should consider that 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 plus of 7x plus 4. You can consider this in the bracket also, or else without bracket also you can write. It will be 56. So now open the bracket. 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 gives you 56, because after 4 years sum of their ages is 56. Now add like terms. 5x plus 7x plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 56. 5x plus 7x is 12x plus 8 is equal to 56. 12x is equal to 56. Transpose 8 to RHS minus 8. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8 is 48. X is equal to, transpose 12 to the RHS, 48 divided by 12, because multiplication 12 is multiplied with x here. Once you transpose here, it becomes division. 12 ones are 12 fours are, it is x is equal to 4. Now let us find out 5x and 7x. Their present ages. Present age is Rahul's age is equal to 5x is equal to 5 into 4, 20 years. Harun's age is equal to 7x. 7 into 4 is equal to 28 years. So, these are the present ages and this is the sum. Now, let us move on to 11th question of same exercise. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So, here the reference is Baichung's father. The sum of all the three ages is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So here the reference we are taking is Baichung's father because Baichung's father is connected to both grandfather and Baichung. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. So first let us consider in the solution age of Baichung. Let the age of Baichung's father be x. Baichung's father is the middle person who is connected to both Baichung's grandfather and Baichung. The age of Baichung's grandfather is x plus 26 because he is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. So, Baichung's father plus 26 years is Baichung's grandfather and age of Baichung is x minus 29 because Baichung is 29 years older than Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. So, here we are taking reverse. X is father, he is 29 years older than this means x minus 29. Now, sum of their ages is, to form the equation, we need a constant that is 135 years. Sum of their ages is Baichung's father's age plus grandfather's age plus Baichung's age gives you 135. Now, open the brackets x plus 26 plus x plus into minus multiply sign both plus into minus. Here this is plus, so plus into plus is plus. This is minus into plus is minus. 29 is equal to 135. Now first let me add the like terms, that is 3x 26 minus 29 gives you 135. 3x 26 minus 29 is minus 3. Plus and minus operation is minus, sign of the greater number is equal to 135. 3x is equal to, transpose the constant here, 135 plus 8 minus 3, once it is transposed to RHS it becomes plus 3. So 3x is equal to 138. Now x is equal to, transpose 3, 138 by 3. Now therefore x is equal to 138 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 18 remains here, 3 6 are 18. So x is 46, that is value of x. Now what is x here? Baichung's father's age. Baichung's father's age is x is equal to 46 years. Baichung's grandfather's age is equal to x plus 26. X plus 26 gives you 46 plus 26. This is 6 6. 12 carry 1. 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 72 years. Now Baichung's age is equal to x minus 29 because his father is 29 years older than him, that is his father less than 29. For his father's age minus 29 is his age. 46 minus 29 is Here 46 minus 29, you can't subtract because this is 6. 16, this is 3. 16 minus 9 is 7. Then 3 minus 2 is 1. So his age is 70 years. Now let us move on to the last problem, that is 16th problem of this exercise. The organizers of an essay competition decided that a winner in the competition gets a prize of ₹100 and a participant who does not win gets a prize of ₹25. The total prize distributed is ₹3,000. Find the number of winners if the total number of participants is 63. So here there is an essay competition where the winners will get ₹100 and the participants who does not win get ₹25 as the prize, and total prize distributed is 3,000 and participants, total number of participants are 63. We should find the number of winners. Let the number of winners be x because we don't know, we will consider it as a variable. Then the number of participants who didn't win is 63 is the total minus x. Total minus winner. Winner is x and total is 63. So once you subtract from total the winners, you get the participants who didn't win. Now total money given to participants who did not win is 25 rupees into 63 minus x, because we don't know even the participants who did not win. So 63 minus x is their number. So 25 is the rupees which is given to them. Total money given to winner is x into 100, 100x. Now we should sum these two to find out the number of winners. So that is 100x plus 25 into 63 minus x gives you 3,000, because this is the total prize amount which is given, which is distributed over winners and non-winners. So here 100x plus 25 into 63, multiply here, 25 into 63, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, plus 6 5s are 33, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, 5 7 5 1. So 1575 minus 25 into x. Once you multiply to the number, once you multiply to the variable, 25x is equal to 3,000. Now that is 100x plus 1575 minus 25x is equal to 3,000. So this is the equation. Now like terms, 100 minus 25 is 75x plus 1575, that is 1575 is equal to 3,000. Now 75x as it is, transpose this to the RHS, 3000 minus 1575. 75x is equal to, subtract this, 3000 minus 1575, 10, 9, 9, 2. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So now 1425. Now x is equal to, transpose this to RHS, 1425 divided by 75. Why divided by 75? Because here it is a multiplication. When it transposed to RHS, it becomes division. So now you can take out this from 15 table. 15 5 is 75. Here 15 9s are 135. 135 here remains 7. So this will be 75. 142 minus 135 is 7. 75. Again 15 5s are 75. 95 by 5. Again you can divide here. 5 1s are 5. 4 remains 45. 5 9s are 45. So x is 9. Therefore, the number of winners is equal to 90. Number of winners is equal to 90. Total participants is equal to 63. Already it is given. Then participants who didn't win. Participants who didn't win is equal to 63 minus x, that is equal to 63 minus x is 19, 13, this is 5, 13 minus 9 is 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, 63 minus 19 is 44. So the winners are 19, non-winners, those are only participants are 14, total participants are 63. So dear children, pattern for online midterm exam is subject mathematics class 8, marks is 60 marks and duration which you are going to write exam is 120 minutes, that is nothing but 2 hours. And pattern is, you have 4 sections. Section A, all are objective type and it consists of 20 marks. First bit is MCQ, second bit is fill in the blanks, third bit is true or false, fourth bit is answer in a word. So these 4 bits are of 1 mark each, so 1 into 20, 20 marks. Section B, that is 5th bit, do as directed. Here 2 marks questions you need to solve, 2 into 8, 16 marks. Section C, 6th bit, solve the following. Here these are 3 marks questions which you need to solve, 3 into 4, 12 marks. Each question carries 3 marks. Section D, 7th bit, solve 4 mark question, 3 questions, mark is 4, 4 into 3 is 12 marks.